batch 149. Congratulations for successfully graduating from the fellowship. I understand we had a lot of constraints with COVID, with lockdown, with uncertainty, but I'm really glad that you were able to complete the fellowship, and I hope that you learned a lot. At this point, I would just want to say that don't stop learning, keep finding new ways and different ways to learn new and different things, and best of luck.
Assalamualaikum प्यारे बच्चों. Congratulations on graduating from Amal Academy. I'm very proud of each one of you, and I want to tell you that I was amazed by the marvelous resilience you had to depict throughout the fellowship. We were all so distant geographically, yet we were so close in our hearts and in our passion. I pray that each one of you reaches your full potential in a way that you become change makers of the present and the future. And also, we create such a huge and positive impact in our society that others are able to benefit from our knowledge. I hope that you always question the things and the notions that you hold on to for so long, that you're always on the path of self-awareness and self-reflection. Just know that I'm always here to guide you, to support you. We're going to maintain and sustain this family bond that we've built. And in the end, I would just like to share a quote by Jacqueline Novogratz, that may each of you live lives of immersion. This might not necessarily be an easy life, but in the end, that is all that will sustain us. Good luck with your present and your future, and I hope to see all of you very soon again.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Asfandyar. I was cluster manager for your batch during the Amal Career Prep Fellowship. Some of you might have seen me as a silent spectator in your sessions. I might have also interacted with some of you during your mock interview sessions. I just want to take this opportunity today to congratulate all of you on your graduation. I hope you have taken this opportunity of the fellowship to improve yourself. I'm confident that all of you have become better versions of yourself, that all of you have become lifelong learners, and I hope that you continue on this path of self-discovery as you enter your professional and personal life. So congratulations once again, and I wish you all the very best for the future.
And now, moving on to the most awaited part of today, which is all about you batch 149 and your accomplishments. So first of all, we are going to announce the gold medalist of your batch, and the gold medalist is, any guesses? Rahat Fazil. Congratulations Rahat for this accomplishment. Next up, we have the best mega project, and the best mega project goes to Kaam Aasan Zindagi or Bhi Aasan. And the contributors include Tawqir, Tahra, Farwa, Maruf, Saad and Amir. Congratulations. Next up, we have fellows who have graduated with highest honors, and they include Bushra Arif, Fahad Asghar, Amir Riaz, Shahzeb Mustafa, Talha Mahmood, Tawqir Iqbal, and the fellows who have graduated with honors include Afaq Ibrar, Aisha Tahir, Almaz Iram, Farwa Waheed, Fiza Tanveer, Hamza Matloob, Ikra Riaz, Mahnoor Cheema, Muhammad Saad, Muhammad Mubashir, Salman Farooq, Zarak Imtiaz Khan, and the rest of the graduates include Hamda Naveed, Maruf Bukti, Awais Ghani, Nimra Javed, Tahra Murad, Tanzila Zahid, Usama Ali, and this is where batch 149 takes flight. Good luck everyone.